Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to talk about this Capx AI super app. Many of you have forgotten this app, so I'm going to show you how you can start mining this app on your Telegram app. For those of you that are new on the channel, make sure you subscribe so that when next I post another airdrop, you will get a notification. So when you open your Capx super app, first of all, you are going to get a point. So when you get a point, you need to convert those points to coins. So many of you have been getting points, you don't know how to convert it. So in this video, I am going to show you how you can convert your points to coins. So now when you open the app, this is how the app look like. For those of you that have not started mining this project, I'm going to drop the link on the video description or on the comment section. So all you just have to do is to click on the link. It's going to take you to your Telegram, and then you start mining this project. Now you can see my balance here. You can see my coins point balance. Then you can now see my coins balance over here. So now you can see convert coins to coin. You understand? So this is my point over here. This is my original coin or my caps app. So the thing you need to do is just click on convert your coins. Then you click on maximum. I'm going to convert 290 coins to the main coin. So I've clicked on maximum. You can do this 3 times daily. You can only do this 3 times daily. So any point you earn, all you just have to do is to convert that point to the original coin. So you can see the coin is converting right now. So let's give it some time. So it's gonna take some minutes. So go to the video description right now, click on the link. It's going to take you to a Telegram app. Then you start mining this project. You can see, congratulations, your coins have been successfully converted to coin on Capx chain. So I click on continue. So that is all. You can see, that the coin have moved from the point coin to the main coin here. So this is the coin I am going to sell when this coin is going to be listed on the exchange. So you click on your portfolio, you can see I have 450 coins. You can see it there. Then this is my wallet address. So that is it. So if you want to earn more points, you just have to click on earn. You come to earn, you complete some of the quests. There's a lot of quests there. Make sure you complete this quest here. So if you complete this quest, do your daily lucky spin. You complete some of these quests here, you earn more points, and then you go over there and confirm it to your to the original caps coin. So guys, that is all about this video. Make sure you subscribe so that when next I post another crypto airdrop, you will get a notification.